Hey guys, Miss T here. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit about a Netflix show that you might be interested in watching, especially if you want to know more about Julius Caesar. We did kind of skim through his life and the events of it, and we didn't really get into the nitty gritty with all the drama and the backstabbing and just like the general soap opera-ness of his life, because it is very fascinating. So there is a show on Netflix that you can watch. It is kind of like a mix between a documentary and like an action show. So they do have actors portraying all these historical figures we've talked about, and it is occasionally narrated so that you can understand what's going on. I know sometimes politics and life can be confusing, and especially so in ancient Rome during these times. So I'm gonna show you the series. I'll also post some reading questions that I had written for the episodes. However, I don't have any for episodes 1 and 2, so don't worry about it. This is all completely optional and just more for your own edification than for anything. Disclaimer though, this show is rated TVMA, so it is mature. Viewer discretion is advised. There is violence, there is profanity, and a little bit of nudity, although not horrible, but it is there. So I'm putting this disclaimer out there now, so you A, don't get me in trouble, and B, you aren't like, oh my gosh, Miss T, what is this? So viewer discretion advised. If your parents see you watching this, you can explain that it was a suggestion. It is not required for the class. It is just additional information with all the nitty gritty of what's going on in Rome. Okay, so let's take a look real quick. If you are on Netflix, you need to not Google search, Netflix search a show called Roman Empire. So you're gonna get to, there is stuff in Empire games, but we're not worried about that one. This is going to be the show right here. There are 3 seasons. Julius Caesar is going to be under season 2. So if we go, maybe. Yeah, there we go. Um, Make sure you select the proper season, okay? We haven't talked Caligula, we haven't talked Commodus. They are both emperors that we'll eventually get into a little bit. If you want to watch this, by all means, go ahead. But season 2 is the one that I'm recommending right now with Julius Caesar. Only 5 episodes, about 45 minutes apiece. So overall, not too bad. I will post for you guys a little video trailer of this particular season so you can kind of see what it's all about and if you're interested in watching it. So if you have any questions or want to talk about the show, I'll post a little discussion board for you as well. Feel free to reach out, and then I hope you guys take a look at it and enjoy.